Salam salam Amharic students, welcome back to your Amharic journey. In today's journey, we're gonna look at things that we do that are good for us. Let's begin. Working can be good in life. Work in Amharic is sira. Sira. After working, you have to rest. Rest in Amharic is እረፍት. እረፍት. Sometimes you may want to go on a picnic. Picnic in Amharic is ሽርሽር. ሽርሽር. It's a funny word. Eating is also good for us. Eating in Amharic is መብላት. መብላት. Listening can be good in life. Listening in Amharic is መስማት. መስማት. Being happy in Amharic is መደሰት. መደሰት. It's good to help people, and it is also good to get some help. Help in Amharic is እርዳታ. እርዳታ.